kaise, like she will not come and do all of these things.
I literally hide it from her and keep white streaks left here, a few of them. But I suppose it makes me look my age. Otherwise, she'll have a complex.
तो गाइस क्या करूं मैं इतनी सुंदर हूं तो आप ही बताओ क्या करूं
Hi guys, this is Boss Lady Shruti and today I have my favorite guinea pig of all time, Mummy! Literally, she is like my guinea pig of all time. Like anytime I need to do some
Very,
experiment.
very rightly said. That's guinea pig is the right word for me. That's
So, mom definitely needed to do something about this situation that is happening with her hair. And mom is super duper paranoid. She's like, I don't want to go to the salon and all. Corona. So I was like, okay, fine. I'll like try is the underlined word over here, to color your hair at home. So because she doesn't have any other choice basically right now. So that's why she's like agreed to do this. So I have the L'Oreal Paris Casting Creme Gloss hair color with me, and this is actually the one that she uses all the time.
I have been using L'Oreal Paris hair color for the last 15 years or more. So I thought it would be best if she has to experiment it on my hair. This is it.
Okay, so yeah, let's get coloring. So to get started off, this is what the packaging looks like, and it comes with 3 basic components, which is first the colorant creme, second is this developer which comes in this convenient bottle with a nozzle, and third is the star of the show, which is the Royal Shine jelly mask. So to get prepared, we are going to put the colorant into the developer creme like this, shake it up, and voila, we are ready to go. And as you can see, mom has quite a lot of gray, so we have our work cut out for us. Lego. So here goes nothing. I would have done a patch test on her before starting, but because she's been using this for 15 years, I don't have to do patch test. She is tested and certified, and I can begin with my experimentation.
In the darkest night, I saw your eyes. A sense of threat that I can't forget. I wanna know who you are. This world I need to know. So take my hand and let our fears go. Take me to your jungle where the rain is warm and the birds fly. Take me to your kingdom.
So now this beauty has been sprinkled with some hair color, and she's going to wait for 20 minutes and wash off her hair, and we are going to see if
Let's hope we can see the magic.
See you in 20 minutes. Hi, Mama. How are you feeling? Full transformation, huh?
Feeling great.
I don't know if I've done a good job, because honestly I'm not good with hair, but this hair color is like actually very, very easy, and honestly if I can do it, like anybody can do it.
You know me, I don't generally use chemical heavy products as it doesn't suit my, and I have very sensitive skin and scalp. But this particular hair color is very, very mild. It is ammonia free and therefore very less damage.
Yeah, and I think that even after that, because everyone is scared of hair damage when they use hair color, and I think you've also been kind of chill in using this for so many years, because
I've been using it for the last 15 years or more. And the best part is the conditioner that you get along with this pack.
Yeah, the Royal Jelly hair mask.
Yeah.
We fight about it. So
I've literally hide it from her and keep, because I keep using it for 3-4 washes after the hair color.
And I know every time mom opens the hair color, and she'll keep a little bit of that conditioner in the bathroom, and then when I go to take a shower, I like use that conditioner, and my mom is like, but I had saved it. And it has happened so many times because this mask gives such a nice shine. I really hope L'Oreal Paris like puts it in an actual bottle and sells it
Yeah,
separately.
I'm sure it'll
my
be a
mom will
hot
buy like
seller.
5 bottles right away.
Definitely.
Yeah, this conditioner is just like next level, and the best part is it actually comes in, I believe, like 13 shades, so that's quite a big shade range as well for people to
I
choose
have
from.
used darkest brown. That's what I've been using.
Yeah, like mom doesn't like going in like for pitch black, so she likes using a little bit of that brown.
And I'm not too experimental to go for other shades, so that's my comfortable color.
Yeah. And I think it looks great also, and I feel like the hair is looking very healthy and shiny as well.
Yeah.
Because of that favorite conditioner of ours.
Yeah, that's the trick.
Yeah, I don't know if I did a good job, but
Actually,
L'Oreal Paris,
there
you did
are
a good
a
job.
few white streaks left here, a few of them. But I suppose it makes me look my age. Otherwise, she'll have a complex.
तो गाइस क्या करूं मैं इतनी सुंदर हूं तो आप ही बताओ क्या करूं
So yes, I guess that is it. Because on popular demand, I think I've done too many videos with my mom, so I'm
Yes.
going to give her a little bit of rest. She says that only ये क्या है? Every time like you take me only as a guinea pig and you like expect me to come in your
But I
video.
enjoy it. I enjoy doing it with her as
Yeah.
much as she does with me.
And seriously, I'm telling you, mom is such a sport. Like she'll be like, हाँ ठीक है बेटा कर लो. Like otherwise, I know of my friends and all who say, नहीं, mom कैसे? Like she will not come and do all of these things. So thank you so much for being such an amazing sport. So I guess that is it. What do they have to do?
Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to Boss Lady Shruti.
And like I always say,
Keep it bossy.
keep it bossy. Boss mommy.